for a higher juicy news. Mima Obibia Akwaba, Hadia latest and hot news. Mkwa Eramede Bramo. Anunti Savian subscribe to channel dia Bomodia say over subscribe. Dobaya say over click the subscribe button. Now a barely notification. We understand you video be upload on when the first person I would say Ebeka a sa video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up na fe. Shema Ato Forson na when you be here now who and someone ekoso ewo Ghana memoha afi yehwe ye and someone abeto yepno so ejebu akad na ba ko pe na chese ye koto abade ding na when ye keti Kevin Taylor wode ye simbi aba betudwa emu hu ye papa de o chere se eye Reverend Kusi Boateng eye Kwabena Gyamfi eye sofo a de die bienu date of birth mienu a hunsensem bebre mbaka National Cathedral hunsensem on the Sécretly to the board of the trustee no akoye sensem bebre na we da keti abetum ni se wo kire se eye military for one airplane aya Bawumia eye ne yere Samira etade kokumase koye ne campaign ade no sa plane no wo kire se military for ni bi boa ma kire se one de eye completed ballot papers ashimo ma staff na ye Kusi Boateng ede kokumase chese nya senketo ne no de kokobo se be ma ye ndisi for se wane ma wane ni na ho obobo be bia Kusi Boateng eti ne ade mia bebre a obobo so a wo kire se ndisi for ma wane ni mre na wane ni kosa mia ye ho nyina na ye complete o chese 2.2 million completed ballot papers ene kitidi ensem bebre na ra na atuja ententemara yenko na kachi na yenko ti yenhwe eye etie eye ensem ye Kevin Taylor edit to the fire sasem odi abetu the fire Reverend Kusi Boateng Kwabena Gyamfi hu sensem yi yetiro
what is Samira Bawumia ako adenta akoye campaign what is Samira Bawumia nante Ghana ha ura adenta ye campaign no adentra because ni nua be ma sebio na adwini ye adwuma ehun se omo criminal things nti he doesn't want to be part of the NPP ni nua be ma no na ye NDC candidate ewa adenta anything na Samira Bawumia nko adenta nko ye campaign. And the meeting they had was that they cannot send Samira to go and campaign against NDC Nina Ohon because of Ninuya. And Akosia Menu no Mark Menu Ba, they want her to win the seat. Now what they want to do, Samia Wuku has been taxed. Samia Wuku said Samira Bawumia should stay back. What they are going to do on election day in the say the stronghold na ewa adenta na ye NDC stronghold no around 3 p.m. election day, they will snatch boxes there. Samia Wuku is going to lead that. He has assigned boys to do that job. On the 7th of December, around 3 to 4 p.m., Sammy Awuku will send some people to Adenta NDC for stronghold to snatch boxes and to cause chaos. Samia Awuku. Samira Bawumia would never come to Adenta to campaign because NDC ni Bema. And sa eye Akosia Menu no eye Mark Menu ba or then they contest the NDC ni no. Samira Bawumia nim say ni nua bema ni nim a lot about her until she doesn't want to come there. Into also a campaign wo Ghana ha nyina owura adenta owura ho because onim say oye mistake no owura ho a ni nua bema no entwema no. Enti onim sa no they had a meeting today Sammy Awuku ena omode sa eye adenta chaos no ahye what they are planning to do on the 7th of December, and I say, around 3 to 4, quiet, some men will come and cause a lot of chaos. Ewo NDC stronghold, ewo Adenta constituency. And what they will do, then they say, they will be coming to cause a lot of mayhem. They will be snatching boxes. Their strategy is to stop the Adenta elections, because they know, say, Akosia Menu cannot win that seat. But they are trying to find a way to make sure, say, Omobe say elections, na Akosia Menu, Mark Menu Bano. At the end of the day, Yambobo Aba Ewo Ede Adenta. And intina unhu Samira nantia krajna campaign. What was we Adenta? Unraho. Osrodi ni abema because when him say okoye careless, okobo carelessa. Ni abema ni samo bekano. Ni abema has stayed away from them. He's with the NDC. He has worked his way throughout to get to that point. Into one who say Samira Wura Adenta. Samia Wuku ono odiewo Samia Wuku. Ono na enda no pa omo meeting say he will handle a Adenta to make sure say election day around 3 to 4 p.m. no they will bring people in Adenta constituency, maybe NDC stronghold, they will go and cause chaos. They are going to snatch ballot boxes in the name of national security. Bibi sa esia, those men, no, they are not from national security. That is what they are coming to do. They are coming to destabilize our democracy. Adenta constituency, NDC stronghold, Semran Tebia about to cause chaos. Omunya national security for on election day, omo ba abesay your democracy na ye enjoy no. Now, let me tell you this. Flight are every a year Accra, Eko Kumasi, from end Wednesday to Saturday morning. The NDC Ashanti Regional Chairman, any Mensia North, any Asawase for, you should keep an eye at the airport. Now, me betray the Kusi Boateng what they want to do. Kusi Boateng onena ende or directed by Bawumia de onye. Kusi Boateng makachem so ekron for over about 20 houses in Kumasi. Kusi Boateng over about 20 houses in Kumasi. Majority of these houses, ballot papers are oma tamprinting or omudi akweshe. Now let me show you what they are doing. From Ende to Saturday, flights are Eko Kumasi Biano. You guys should pay very close attention to those flights, especially Ende Menoka say Samira Bawumia will return to Accra or the Ghana Air Force plane or the air returning, and then Odi Tukwain. And Ajuwe Kusi Boateng will be flying back to Kumasi with the Ghana Air Force plane. See, Samira Bawumia will be landing in Accra tonight from her campaign with the Ghana Air Force plane. The strategy now is Ghana Air Force plane now. Omu use no sa Air Force jet no. And then Samira the campaign. Now Obelande wa Accra ende nyumre. Orlando Kusi Boateng will be taking that plane. Omo de befa Kusi Boateng free Accra. Edina ba Kumasi. Enda anajo. We ntu enda anajo a ochina no pa. Now offer plane bedru Kumasi a obefa through the VIP. Now Kusi Boateng edu Kumasi airport. They are going to stuff that plane with already printed ballot papers. They are going to put cases in that plane. Right now, Air Force plane in normally transport ballot papers around the nation. Ashanti region, Kusi Boateng and they lead the printing and then the distribution of the ballot papers. Now, Enda Najui, Bawumia Samira Landu Accra, Kusi Boateng Ebefa Air Force plane there Kumasi. Now, they are sending soldiers to the Kumasi airport right now to protect the place. Send a beya Kusi Boateng Drua, Kojo Sa Opokubina, Yayen, NDC for the press conference car say, or a criminal, he's hoarding guns. Sa Soja Nibino, they are going to send military men to the Kumasi airport tonight and tomorrow morning. Tonight, they are going to stop everyone from accessing Bibia Kusi Boateng Befa. They have packed the plane with a lot of stamp-printed ballot papers. A lot. They will prevent a lot of the workers at the airport from going to the place a plane no belande. Sa plane no Kusi Boateng the different Accra eba Kumasi. Ghana Air Force plane no. Kusi Boateng and ebe team every Accra the aba Kumasi. When I checked on my source a few minutes ago, Onyantu he's still in Accra. He has not moved yet. Now, what is going to happen? And they say, all right, Mr. S, thank you very much. What is going to happen? And they say, he is going to fly in tonight or tomorrow morning. They have packed printed ballot papers in Accra. The Ghana Air Force plane na Samira using and no Odeba. At the airport right now, workers say they should stay away from Bibia Air Force plane in Belande and Adri. Ken Opoku ascended military men Eko Kumasi airport. Now, more asawase any that those areas you are supposed to keep an eye. Supporters are more Mensia North any asawase. The airport no Kusi Boateng or the papers eba. So see no Ghana Air Force plane no and a omode air distribution no. Sa plane about Samira Bawumia campaign no. Now, Kusi Boateng ewo fie bi ewo Top Hill Estate. Top Hill Estate. Now, South Top Hill Estate are about 20 houses for that area. And Top Hill Estate, a hot and the papers no echo. Kusi Boateng or dying the fie our Top Hill Estate. These papers they are moving with the military. These stamp printed papers, about 2 million pieces, Kusi Boateng the Beko Top Hill. Or about 20 houses ewo Kumasi. Top Hill Estate on the chairman to me and the same area. It is very important, say NDC4, you set up a monitoring system around that neighborhood. That is where they are going to use the military to move the papers. Hilltop Estate, Hilltop, and not Top Hill. Hilltop Estate. Nifie no ewo Hilltop Estate ewo Kumasi, and not Top Hill. Hilltop Estate, a honey. And that is where they'll be keeping a baby ballot papers no ewo kwadaso area hona sa Hilltop Estate no or about 20 houses. Right now Kusi Boateng is not driving his Bentley, he's not driving his Rolls Royce, he's driving a simple Mercedes B and or driver a strategy. He has moved all his luxurious cars off the streets. And the Kusi Boateng onchi Rolls Royce nibium, onchi Bentley nibium, onchi Lamborghinis, onchi BBR. Right now, he's just driving a simple some E-class or C-class, the Nam Ghana. He is the one moving printed ballot papers around the nation for Bawumia. And he's coming from Accra with Air Force plane. They have parked the plane with over 2 million printed, already printed ballot papers. It is Hilltop Estate, It is around a Greek area, Kwadaso, you people should be very vigilant. They are moving the papers from Accra. Kusi Boateng and ASA Jumano. I have told you, the Bawumia campaign, Kusi Boateng, the Bawumia MPP for no, now General Secretary no way, Kusi Boateng ran the campaign, I'm a Bawumia. Because Oje say obetum the criminality. On and saying, because of heat, any frustration, or sorry, them so nobody can intimidate him. Somebody will intimidate him. Kusi Boateng, your crown for, he's a thief. Kusi Boateng, don't just see him say, or a pastor. He's not a pastor. Or a fucking criminal. And he is the one telling Bawumia, say, they should use the military to force their way into power. Now, the reason why I'm so confident, so we need power, and I say, Omo hun say NDC, 2020, the Omo year, Oma Jirimuno, NDC a week. So, Wakach Bawumia say, if they use the military a little bit and the police force, and the thugs they use that, when they push a little bit, Ghanaians, NDC will back off. And that is what Kusi Boateng is telling Bawumia. And then a moment that confidence, they say, all that they need to do is to put fear in the system like what they did in 2020. And on himself, Sadia this year, NDC for the Ghana will go away, they will run away for them to get their way to do their things. And Kusi Boateng, the Air Force plane, free a crab, do Kumasi, or they call a Hilltop Estate. 2 million and over printed ballot papers and what's happening. From end of Saturday, they are going to be moving a lot of papers from Accra to Kumasi from in that plane. And that is what they are using. And I do almost try Samira the plane because Samira is using the plane tonight. You guys should not underestimate Kusi Boateng or you Kusi Boateng or you Wudini, Kusi Boateng or your Kromfo. Or no na akache Bawumia say Bawumia should not even respect the chief imam. And it's a West study Bawumia campaigner. He has sidelined Muslims. He has sidelined the Islamic clergy. He does not respect even the chief imam's presence. He does not even let them even come close to his campaign because Sa Kusi Boateng we muno amuna akatu ni team say they can help him win power. So I am sending this message to Joseph Yamin. That Kwadasu area, you people should have a tent there. You people should set surveillance there. That is where the papers are going to come from. They are hoarding it. Kusi Boateng is bringing over 2 million papers to Kumasi, already printed. he is coming with the Air Force plane. And up from Monday to Saturday. And Adrina also too. Tonight. He needs to leave Accra tonight. He's still in Accra as I speak. They had a meeting today. He's still in Accra as I speak. That is the operation they want to do tonight. And he is the one leading this. Ain't Joseph Yamin, I have told you, make sure you have your surveillance right. You can't make mistakes. You can't. Ghanaians will not forgive you people when you allow these criminals to get their way out. You cannot make mistakes. Total full surveillance should be on Kusi Boateng and his homes. Kwadaso area ho, sa hilltop estate wono eho enomde nyoma neba. Nobody should underestimate Kusi Boateng. He does not care. Oni want to me ene hilltop wo, sa estate wo, hilltop. Oni want to me na coordinate wo estate wo around Kwadaso area ho. Eho nomde papers neba. Kwadaso hilltop, sa hilltop estate or Kwadaso area ho. Bebia eye Kusi Boateng fie wo no ehwa na chema wontumi fie wo. You people should set your surveillance there. That is what is happening tonight. Now, I want to show you how they are trying to use the military. Andrew Mbeka said yesterday about how the MPP government Andrew Mbeka some military men bia. Yeah, 2 million. Almost some printed ballot papers, 2 million, 2.2 million. 2.2 million. And then nobody call Asante Memu. Yeah. So you people should be very vigilant. Kusi Boateng, I was some surveillance on so. And then the cars are parking the Rolls Royce, the Bentleys, or you use some Benz be. In fact, I can get you the exact Benz so easy. Because when my team were able to capture the Benz he's using right now. He's using when I sent my team today, what Benz get me the Benz, the Benz he's using now. Na me check Ghana for wa park cars ni nyina. Wa park cars ni nyina. Now, Kusi Boateng, as I speak right now, they are giving instructions to the military. Some of them are resisting. They are bringing some of the military men to the Kumasi airport. Some of the military for no air resisted Kusi Boateng's instructions. They don't want to do it. They don't want to fly him from Accra to Kumasi with those materials in the plane. He is talking to Bawumia to insist, to say they need to move those things to Kumasi. As I speak to you, Wapaki the car now or use E300, a simple E300 car. And Ochi, to say he's doing nothing wrong. The Rolls Royce no they see, the Bentleys no they see, all the cars now are luxurious or dinina akotete. Right now he's driving only the E300 and all the nam and say he is the one moving the NPP papers for them. And and you remember I showed you a video and the pictures of some military men. Military men bia na omo Kotoka International Airport and omo Tamale. Omo the weapons. These men. Yeah. Oh, okay. Sure. But so these were the military for now almost in two and almost could stream. The airport security were like, hey, some of your military for why don't you go with the Air Force and their jet? Say a special assignment. Now, these are NPP boys military. These are small boys, so many experience be more commanders in the military. And right now, there are more instructions say, Sa election we know they are the ones going to do the damage. Sa they no catch them say the military will not be there until they are called. It's a lie. Now you see these guys, Omunye. People are monitoring them because this guy, he's with the Ghana Armed Forces. He was part of those guys there. These were the boys, sir. They just came into the military. Yamamu commander positions near the day. Yayebi, Kendall near the day. Corporal near. Omono are there. These are the boys they are going to use. Some of them na church of Mudino. They are in the military right now. These are the boys who have been weaponized to go to the north. We have not cause chaos, no. Where your friend Kubo Emmanuel, the rank in here, Lance Corporal, and then the number 28217. Religion Christian. The date of birth is 1994. Where the oka omo address your makato menimuno. These are the young men they want to use to destroy the democracy we have built. Where money any boys na endra muhu omo airport wono. I almost say I sent ya small for special assignment. Their line is the NPP government and and they are ready to go out there and cause a mayhem. Maybe IDs. They are in the military. They are dangerous boys. They are not 7 Ghanaians. They are 7 politicians. And you see, these are boys a protocol that they and they are ready to kill because they think say so sana military nimuno boss is free power. And so these are the boys they are using. I mean, sure. Wait, your friend Kubo Emmanuel. Now, boys are normally the weapons. Niko tamalina no address in airport na intimidating kofono. This guy is one of them. Now, the next person is this guy. His name is Jacinto John. Jacinto John, a Lance Corporal. The number is 211814. 1.6 meters. The height, no. Religion or a Christian. And wamuhu a year ni date of birth 1993. These are young boys. And military nim. These were the boys on my dress say packing weapons into. These are the boys that are going to be used. And in the military, they all know that these boys don't even deserve to hold guns. The military men in Ghana military, the army, they know that these boys, they are not supposed to hold guns, but because of politics. These are the boys. These are the guys they are relying on. They are going to use them. Now, the next person, there were about 4, yeah. The next person is called Mate Komla Anthony. WO2. The position, rank WO2. The number is 196868. Also a Christian. Now, you're on a 1980. 1980. This guy was one of those military guys. Hey, Ghana military, they know these boys. They work for politicians. They go out there and they shoot to kill. They don't care. They have given them ammunitions. From the military, special operation in the northern region to just go kill. Special operation, a private, a commercial airline awful. This guy is one of them. The next one, they'll be enemies of the state. They are supposed to serve the people, but today they are rather in a position to be killing the people. This election is dangerous and it's more important to Ghanaians. This guy, his name is Opon Nicholas Menu. Nicholas Opon Menu. Or a Lance Corporal. The number is 212055. And also, you want 1993. 1993. Soldier for na almost small tamale. These are the boys in the Ghana military doing damage for the NPP. I'm showing you their pictures. These were the guys at the airport. I'm showing the Ghana military for police soldier for worries them. I talked to a lot of them. They are like, this is dangerous for us. We don't even know why this is happening. They don't even know why this is going on. Where police for soldier from penny for giving me this information. Soldier from penny for high rank soldier for say Kevin, talk about this. Put this out there. These are not military men. These are criminals. They are brought to the military. They are party foot soldiers. Where do I have to? ID cards way. Military hierarchy the army. They are worried. They don't like what is happening. The government wants to use the military to destroy everything. Now what about Akufo Addo? He wants to hand over this country to some criminals in the military. There were legitimate, honest people in Ghana military. The Ghana army sitting there, no, 90% of them are honest people. They want to serve their nation. But the Akufo Addo government, they have infiltrated it. They have put people like this in the army. And these are the people they use in murdering, killing, destructing their democracy. Now, this guy, your friend Asante Opoku Joseph Opoku Asante, or a lance corporal, use lower rank for no. Steady. Use lower rank lance corporal for no. Sanko for no damage no. Senior officers no and the directing some of the senior officers involved, I will show you their names, their pictures, their chats, their WhatsApp chat messages. The military is messed up. This guy is called Asante Opoku Joseph, Lance Corporal 213409. That's his number. You won in 1998. 1998. That time now you're your girlfriends. 1998. Near kwa club obefi. Na fene ya wa kwa we. Ya tame tu ashe ninsem. Now let me tell you, almost other regions are the NPP government. Your Lieutenant Colonel Apeu of 3 Infantry Battalion, Sunyane. He's one of the people the NPP government AUZ. Lieutenant Colonel Apeu of 3 Infantry Battalion, Sunyane. He is also involved. I'll get you all of them their pictures. Your Lieutenant Colonel Dapa, Ono Kumasi, Ono Ninmia any Deputy Attorney General. Nidinde Lieutenant Colonel Dapa of 4 Infantry, Kumasi, Ninmiane the General Deputy Attorney General Ninmiano. He is also part of the group. Now there is Lieutenant Colonel Fosu Apia, 64 Infantry Regiment, Burma Camp. These are people who are all part of the scheme of making sure the elections, they are going to use some of the boys and then direct some of them to go out there and disrupt our democracy. Lieutenant Colonel Fosu Apia, 64 Infantry Regiment, Burma Camp. I'll show you his picture. Major General Apo, Deputy Chief of Staff in charge of operations and training. Major General Apo, also a part of the group. Sebio, omuna omushe military nim. They are in the military. There is also a Lieutenant Colonel Amankwa, 12 Mechanized Battalion. 12 Mechanized Battalion. Lieutenant Colonel Amankwa. These guys are the ones behind these young men in the military. I'll try my best to get you all of them, their pictures and their IDs for people to see who they are. And these are the people they want to make sure a democracy not say because some MPP for. Because they believe say Akufo Addo be free power na John Mahama beba die and come be make sure say 2 minutes they will use it in destroying Ghanaians. Now, you see, they have given all these people positions. Share commander, they don't have to get that position. MPP boys. All these names I've mentioned, they were all moved to the positions because they work for the MPP. MPP are by way as say your governance, was say your democracy, was say your military, They have destroyed the military. The military needs overhauling. And say, I speak to very high rank military officers, high rank. And when you speak to them, you hear the pain in their voices. And the Ghana military mua, nasa okasa, you try to speak the right, they would move you from Ghana to some West African country. And that's how a Ghana military officer, that's how said the right thing to be done. All that they will do, they say, these people they have put in commander position, they will transfer you to Burkina, Cote d'Ivoire, Yadube, you are free Ghana, they are not going to make you even stay in Ghana. And these are the people running this military. And into the MPP is so confident to say they will win the elections. 2020 elections, these are the same people Emma in Kofobinya military uniforms. Boys be a boat and into the in there. When you ask the Ghana military, the hierarchy, say, one among instructions, Mark Soldier for Techiman South, in there, nobody has answered. But these same people are sitting in a room saying, they want to sign a peace pact. The peace pact is not binding. So our peace pact now signing, it encourages these people. It encourages the NPP to kill. And the soldiers, some of them are legitimate, because of politics. They were happy for that to be done because society, they think said the NDC and Ghanaians are weak. And it's not Jamen Sabat to be catched in Kofor rebase say or not dear. The Mamia catcher said they will win the elections, so NDC will never come to power. Jamen Saba boy. Okosku, United States of America. He is spending millions. Let me show you. Let me show on the pictures in the US. How he's basically enjoying life. Jamen Saba boy ni on the US. I know. Mamen Chro. Jamen Saba boy ni. He's confident, telling girls, telling friends. Say his mom, I catch and say NDC will never come to power. This boy, Jamen Saba boy ni. He lives here in America. Okosku ha. Now you're Ghana for two. Ghana pay. This boy does not care because you're Jimmy, because your man mami military, because boy we back Ghana ni atam military man ne protected no. Okodi cha na dinechi abwache. Okodi di jantra sama na den na military dinechi ni et Ghana ni esre kwase awei. Otimi ka kire nkofo an ne maame aka kire na promise to say the NPP would never leave power. This boy. The friend Charles Mensa, Jemensa Banono. Or go school, or to America, or you're safe. That is the reality. And you catch them. If you don't joke with these elections, they know what they have done. They are very confident because what happened in 2020, 2020, they kuni pan BBNC. So they feel say, yeah, Jimmy. They feel say, yeah, Jimmy. Yeah, these people, they don't live in the EC bungalow. Government bungalow, they live in a mansion in Ghana. Jamen Samba, omunti EC bungalow, no. Why are they supposed to live there? James over $150 million also got facial recognition machine. Ever seen there? Why not got to a machine here in Manitoba? Or the Sikanisi Hotel, Akasie, Nema Entna government bungalow. They are living in mansions. And we sit in Ghana and we entertain this nonsense. Adaya, Kwasiama Meye, Edian, Nema Meye, lecture commissioner, Nema Meye, I mistakes, Manipe, we have fun home because you're never trouble with his own school. Kwasia in the next 3-4 years, remember Ghana, you say, I or you're expert in D&D, na Kwasia and I'm Ghana, I'm an opportunity. Now, I'm sure the fofro. So I've mentioned the names of a soldier for now, Omudi Sa Adiano MPP. In the name of MPP, no, I'm Sambo Mudimbium, so that they will know. We are watching them and we know what they are doing. Mamen, let's see Omudimao. Lieutenant Colonel Appeal of 3 Infantry Battalion, Sunyane. He is leading the rascals now. That is his job. Or MPP ni. We have Lieutenant Colonel Dapa of 4 Infantry Battalion, Kumasi. Ono Ninya any Deputy Attorney General. He is also in charge of these young soldiers are prepared to go and kill during elections. Your Lieutenant Colonel Fosu Apia, 64 Infantry Regiment, Burma Camp. He is in Accra. So, ballot papers are more transfer into these Air Force plane that they are in charge of those things. And Major General Apo, Deputy Chief of Staff in charge of operations and training. The commander, rears for 10 mechanized battalion Bolga and 11 mechanized battalions Wa. The commander rears for 10 mechanized battalion Bolga and 11 mechanized battalions in Wa. In conformity bomb you know commanders, so they give instructions. And then I also show these are all commanders. They give instructions. Amoma instructions, and they tell people go and do this. You are under command. Go and shoot. Go and stop this. Go and beat these people. These are all commanders. They don't deserve to be commanders. So don't think say they are just there. These are dangerous people. And we have their names, their list. We have put them down. We are filing a complaint internationally because these are people in military uniforms. Uniforms. They need to be prosecuted. They need to stand before an international court to answer questions because you cannot wear the Ghana military uniform and use it against the people, use it to brutalize the people in the name of politics. This is not just going anywhere. These are people who have to stand before the courts. They need to answer questions. You did not swear an oath, take an oath to be a military commander in the Ghana Armed Forces and be using that position to benefit politicians, to the point where civilians have died under your command. These are people, command, no. And what Akufo Addo and his people have done is say, in our position as commanders. So they don't even need to go to anybody for anything. They decide what these boys have to do. These are commanders. Our unity, the 10, the mechanized 10, whatever. They are commanders there. And you people, these are people they have disappointed Ghanaians. Tomorrow I'll come and show you all of them their IDs. I'll show you their faces. And these people are supposed to stand before court, criminal courts. They need to answer questions. Because you're in the military, politicians, you are using young ranked politicians and are using them to kill civilians, using them to intimidate civilians. Instead of you people to protect our democracy, rather you are the guys who are destroying the democracy. What kind of nonsense is that? You monitor you've seen your movement, everything you guys are doing, your conversations.
Yo, it for waiting and somewhere Calvin Taylor, KT, what they are to watch the say, Reverend Kusi Boateng, just say, a templated ballot papers are staff who play by a day call a Kumase and whom some and our dear to watch say a year NDC phono, a say one ma when they need a ho, Nadia Eco Sorono and our day Ababetu, English in Abatono, I Ababetui and Hons and Sammy and a KT, and in some way Ababetuja. Because says so we now subscribe to channel idea Bomodi and say open subscribers and say hadie latest and hot news and kwa Aremeyaw bro. After we are now like if you give us a thumbs up now share my or for when you be here now who and somewhere koso or Ghana memo hanum. Uzu betimi ache wadwen afaye and some way nyina comment box in mo. Mobeti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.